What Taylor Swift can teach you about investing. Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at what Taylor Swift can teach you about investing. Let's get right into it. The music industry has a reputation for exploiting the musicians it employs by making them sign unfavorable deals and not giving them a fair share of the profits, while encouraging them to spend more than they can afford, leading to debt and potential downfall. Taylor Swift, however, has managed to avoid this outcome by making savvy decisions and accumulating a significant fortune. Estimated to be nearly $400 million through her music and various brand partnerships including Coca-Cola, Capital One, AT&T, Cody's CoverGirl, Apple, and others. Many of Taylor's endorsements are based on her personal interests, such as her partnership with Apple, which was centered around commercials featuring music she enjoys, and her deal with Coca-Cola, which was built around her love of Diet Coke. These types of deals create a genuine connection with consumers, allowing Swift to build a deeper connection with her fanbase, rather than being perceived as selling out. Additionally, she maximizes her earnings by touring extensively and using dynamic pricing for ticket sales, which is a strategy that generates the highest returns, rather than selling out quickly. While dynamic pricing for ticket sales may not be popular with fans, it allows the artists and ticket seller to maximize revenue, rather than letting third-party sellers take a portion of the profits. Essentially, fans end up paying the same price regardless, so this model enables Swift to make the most money possible when she tours. Additionally, Swift has been strategic in her collaborations, working with other artists to expose herself to their fanbase and, in some cases, borrowing their credibility. Collaborating with Ed Sheeran, Kendrick Lamar, or The Chicks, for example, allows her to reach audiences that may not be inclined to listen to her music. The main takeaway from Taylor Swift's endorsements is that it's possible to profit from something you believe in without compromising your values. For example, endorsing Diet Coke because you are a fan of it and not trying to hide it. The same principle can be applied to investments by choosing to invest in companies or brands that align with your beliefs while still making money. Swift's use of dynamic pricing also serves as a reminder to advocate for yourself and negotiate for fair compensation for the value you bring to a company, and to be willing to move on if your efforts are not recognized. Lastly, Swift has demonstrated the value of teamwork and seeking support from colleagues when faced with challenges outside of your expertise. This can help to expand your own skills and knowledge. Also, we can learn something from her songs. Jump Then Fall is a song in which Taylor Swift, through the lyrics, is making a reference to the behavior of most investors after the 2009 financial crisis. She sings, "I like the way I can't keep my focus," in the first verse, but in the chorus she concludes that she wants to be with her advisor through it all. The lyrics in the song are meant to convey that jumping out of the market when times are tough can lead to falling off your trajectory towards reaching your financial goals. Instead, it's better to work with an advisor to manage risk and avoid having to make impulsive decisions during volatile market conditions. The alternative, trying to predict the perfect time to get back in the market, is almost impossible. The song is Swift's way of expressing the importance of having a long-term investment strategy and the importance of working with a professional advisor. Shake It Off is a song that conveys the idea of maintaining a positive attitude and not overreacting to negative news in the market, such as a bad day of trading. The lyrics "Shake It Off" is the perfect attitude to have when faced with such news. The song's message aligns with the advice given by most financial advisors, who often advise investors not to make drastic moves and to instead focus on long-term goals and not day-to-day fluctuations. In the song, Taylor Swift sings, "But I keep on cruising, can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright," which is a catchy and memorable way of emphasizing the importance of maintaining a steady investment strategy and not getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations. I Knew You Were Trouble is a song in which Taylor Swift reflects on a mistake she made in the past, likely in reference to a poor decision made without proper guidance. The song serves as a reminder to trust one's instincts when dealing with financial advisors and to be cautious of those who may be more interested in pushing a specific product rather than taking the time to understand the individual's needs and goals. The song can be interpreted as a warning against advisors who may not have the investor's best interests in mind and may be pushing a flavor-of-the-month investment product. It is important to be aware of these red flags and to make the time to find an advisor that is truly interested in helping you achieve your financial goals. The lyrics of the song can be interpreted as a reminder to walk away from an advisor that makes you feel uncomfortable and instead seek out an advisor that focuses on protecting you from financial risks and has your best interests in mind. Taylor Swift proves to be not just a talented musician, but also a financially savvy one. Her business decisions and investment strategies serve as an inspiration for fans and investors alike. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.